Finally getting through our Cape York stuff.
No, it's just storage. The old BCF rooftop bag, I'm not a fan at all.
XTM. It ripped
If
it.
you're looking for a waterproof roof bag, then they're not it. Quality, just look at the zip strip too. The quality isn't the best, so we've just replaced it. We've just bought a King's one. Really happy with the quality of that one actually. It looks really waterproof, robust, good sealing zips and Velcro tabs over it. So I reckon that one's going to be way better for on the roof. So just to store our big ticket items. We put boogie boards and stuff in them as well, so we've always got our stuff at the beach. Just a quick access, water containers. I've got mud crab pots in there, our shower tent for when we're camping, and our tent and stuff goes up here as well with the water cot. So rooftop bags.
Cool.
Wind a little bit more.
Go Riley! So we've just driven down to Pottsville today from Kingscliff just to check it out. The beach is stunning. So I'm going to go dip my feet in the water.
Don't do anything yet. Hold this. Hold this. Now go down there. Alright, come back. Get From it, Dad. That's the ball, Riley. That's two, Riley. Go.
It's absolutely pissing down. Can't even get it on video what it actually looks like. It's insane. Holy the doolies. The rain we had last night was absolutely hectic. Like, I have never heard or seen rain that bad. I thought it was going to break the hatches, the windows. Like, it was so heavy. I think we had about 250 mil, like over that. It was just insane. It's still raining now. More to come. The kids are going nuts. We're all going insane, but we're okay. So yesterday we thought we may get flooded in, but it was okay. The water did come up a bit, but it didn't affect us at the caravan park, which we're grateful for. So today we were meant to be heading to Yamba, but we've decided to put that off again, just because of more heavy rain coming and obviously Josh doesn't want to be towing in the rain. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're just going for a drive before the rain hits again.
There's no need to tow in the rain if you don't have to. That's the way I look at it. So
Yeah, exactly.
And the set up and pack up in the rain and get it wet, it's just like, no, let's just push it out. So
Yep,
we'll get there when we get there.
exactly. Oh God. All we did was go out to get a coffee.
Lucky we've got a snorkel.
The snorkel is not the same. So it's still raining. It has been like, I don't even know how long it's been raining for now, but
8 days, I've been counting.
and it's heavy rainfall today. Like they're predicting more floods. So we were gonna move, but yeah, I don't know. What's the point? Everywhere's bloody raining, so we're just gonna stay where we are and ride it out and hope for the best. Really, that's all you can do. But at least we have coffee to keep us going.
Yeah, a whole other day going for a drive to get coffee.
It really is. So we just received a message from the caravan park saying that we're on minor to moderate flood warning. So thankfully where our van is, we're a bit higher up. So we're hoping that everything is okay. But I'm sure it'll be fine.
We'll move if we need.
Staying positive, and yeah, we'll move if we have to. Jesus. So this is low tide. We're meant to be getting high tide at lunchtime. It's now 8:30.
Don't drive into floodwater. Thank you so much for watching another one of our episodes. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit subscribe to never miss out on any of our adventures around Australia. We are finally out of the rain and enjoying some sun. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because where we go next is super, super exciting.